Is there an app or method through which we can check the trademark registered keywords before writing the ads? Yeah, it's very simple, Umar. Just go to Google and search for that brand term. So if it's, let's say, Samsung, they will most probably be running the ads. Let's try it. So if we do Samsung Galaxy or something like that, right? S22. So I've got the ad over here, but then you will see that this is another company called ee.co.uk. They have authorized them. They have been authorized by Samsung to use their trademark in the ads, and and so on. So if you don't see it, then obviously you can't. But if you see others are using it, but you might need to get the permission from that company for you to be able to use the trademarks. But majority of the times, for example, in Apple's case, they are very strict about who they will give permission to. I don't know of anybody who can use Apple's trademarks in their ads. So yeah, just Google it and see what's happening. And if it does get disapproved, then it'll take a few hours. By the time they approve it or disapprove it, you will not get suspended for using trademarked terms in your ads. You'll only get disapproved. So then just change it. Sometimes we use a little hack like put a dash between the space or a full stop or something like that, or don't have any spacing between two words if it's a two-word trademark. So there are ways around it. You can get these things approved.